This is one we did a little while ago, and this is just to show you um, this skylight is so close to the ridge that you have to upgrade to a high pressure skylight, and a 4x4 high pressure skylight goes for $1,000 as opposed to 500 for a regular skylight. And you go to this one over here, and it's not in a high pressure zone, so it's regular price for these. This is not even $250 for a 2x4, but if it were a high pressure skylight, it would be close to $500. So just to let you know what can happen to the prices for skylights sometimes. And they're finished. And they came out pretty well. I wish we could have flared them out some more, but this gives you an idea of what you can do. I mean, you can flare them out in both directions as far as you like, as long as there's no walls in the way or conduit in the way like there was here. But you know, you can really do a lot with them when you have the room, but this gives you an idea of what you can do.